Hello, welcome to the part 2 of front-end development.
White right now, like blanched almond. It has more coloring according to the list. Okay, I didn't save. Control S. Now you can see that the whole background color is changed to black color, and my paragraph's background color is black almond, and the heading is red. Now you can see that this is the whole space. This whole space of the ending point of the background color shows us that the body ends here. Okay. So when I add padding, it means that the padding will add some distance between the content and the outer line. This is the outer line of my body. So padding add the distance between the element and the padding line. So when I align the heading and the heading tag, that is h1 and h2 tag, to the center, it means that it adds distance from the parameter of my body and my h1 and h2 elements. Okay, so the main purpose of changing color is to show you that our whole body element will show our whole screen element in this area where the coloring of the background images ends. Okay, this is the main purpose of changing the background colors. Here is that I aligned everything to the center. Now come to the more features of font weight. Bold will make the letters bolder, thicker, and lighters means it will become more lighter. Now come to the bolder. Let's just see what are the changes that are being made to our output. Now you can see that when I add bolder features, now the paragraph have more bolder letters. That by using this bolder font dash weight tag, we can add different features like bold, underline, or lighter. This is the font weight feature. It makes the bolder. Now come to the styling. Let's just see what are the options. That italic, normal, oblique, initial. Initial means it will have a specified already defined value. Inherit, it means that it will have what the browser have default font style. It will inherit that style. Now oblique and then italic. Let's just see how the italic feature works for our code. Now you can see that there is a slight difference between the alignment of or text in the paragraph. They are more pushed towards the right side of screen, not just straight letters are shown in these. And now add the oblique feature to see what kind of changes it gives to our code. You can see that the oblique attribute is not supported by the Chrome browser. So you have to understand that you will have to add features that will target the latest browser versions. Okay, the oblique feature does not work with the Chrome here. Let's just see more feature related to the font display. This also gives you the information that Initial means you can have the specified value by the HTML, and inherit means inherit the styling, display styling of the browser that the user uses. Okay, so basically you can add inherit feature, but most of the time we does not use inherit feature because it will change the whole textual experience, textual appearance of our fonts in our web page. Okay, so these are the fonts, different variants and flow timing functions. That transition, it means that if I add animation and timing function to it, it changes from Arial to Tacoma, it will change the font family and all these features to it. So these are the basic tags of HTML and how the CSS works in HTML. Any other feature? So far, anything that you do not understand in this session? Hello.
Yeah, understand everything.
Okay, let's just add some padding feature. Padding from the top. I am adding some padding, that is the distance from the top, that is 10 pixel. Let's just see how does it works for our headings. You can see that this is a space that is given to the heading tag, h1 tag, and when I add padding from the top, it gives some distance from the top to the textual feature of our h1. Okay, now you can see that from above it has more distance from the parameter of this whole area than bottom. Okay, if you want to add some distance from the bottom, you can write padding from the bottom, padding bottom. Let's just add the same distance for both of them so that it does not look bad. So now it is equally distant from top and bottom. So this is how you can add more features to it. Okay, you can add more lines of code, and this paragraph area will become bigger and bigger. Let's just add something to it, to our p tag here. I am, let's just say, age 28 years old. I have done BS honors in computer sciences from UOG. Let's just add more features like that. UOG. So these are some extra paragraph material that I have added to my code. So let's just see how does it changes this area of our code. You can see that to add more code, it takes more space. Automatically it will add more space to our code. You can see that it is more close to our background area and very close to the border of this paragraph tags area. Let's just add more distance between them so that it does not look odd. Come to the paragraph in CSS file. I come to the p tag and add more designing feature to it, like padding, padding from top 5 pixels, padding from bottom 5 pixels. Okay, Control S. I have saved it. Now you can see that it has some distance from the upper top and the bottom of this paragraph tags area. And now you can see that it is close to the left and right area, which makes it look more odd and not very attractive. So we can add padding minus left 5 pixels. You can add padding according to.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.